Sony Xperia Z5 Premium Teardown and Reassemble Guide.
Warning: you are performing this repair at your own risk. We claim no responsibility for any damages that might occur. To perform this DIY repair, you will need plastic triangle opening tool, nylon spudger, fine tip curved tweezers, precision knife set, multi-purpose heat gun, premium 2mm red adhesive roll, professional Phillips screwdriver, playing cards.
Power down your Sony Xperia Z5 Premium phone. Remove the nano SIM card tray. The Sony Xperia Z5 Premium rear panel is glued on solidly and is a tight fit within the frame. Apply heat to soften the adhesive. With the precision knife, create enough space to insert a triangle opening tool. Use triangle opening tools and a playing card to slice through the adhesive, and carefully separate the rear panel from the Sony Xperia Z5 frame. Apply additional heat as needed. Use the spudger to detach the Xperia Z5 Premium battery connection from the logic board. Grab the end of the first adhesive strip and try to keep the strip flat and wide. Slowly and gently try to pull each strip out from between the battery and the frame. If the adhesive strip breaks while pulling them out, you'll need to pry the battery up using a combination of the iSesmo, triangle opening tool, and spudger. Remove the Sony Xperia Z5 Premium Lithium-ion 3430 mAh battery. Peel up and remove the adhesive from the Z5 Premium battery once you have removed it from the smartphone. Disconnect the 23-megapixel Sony Xperia Z5 Premium rear-facing camera from the logic board and carefully pry it up and out of the phone. Use the tweezers to detach the headphone jack cable. Remove the falling Phillips screw, and then the black plastic bracket. With the bracket out of the way, detach the 5.1 megapixel Sony Xperia Z5 Premium front-facing selfie camera and remove it from the phone. Remove the black plastic cover from over the signal cable. Remove the falling Phillips screw. Use the tweezers to remove the plastic piece covering the bottom of the logic board. Detach the micro USB port. Remove the plastic strip. Disconnect the Z5 Premium LCD and digitizer cable from the logic board. Use the Nylon Spudger to carefully pry up and remove the motherboard from the Sony phone. With the tweezers, carefully pry up and remove the Z5 Premium earpiece speaker. Pry the Sony Xperia Z5 Premium headphone jack up and out of the smartphone. Use the tweezers to remove the two metal brackets. With the tweezers, pry the vibrator up from the chassis. And then peel up the contacts from over the Z5 Premium loudspeaker. Remove the pink rubber grommet. Carefully pry the Sony Xperia Z5 Premium power, volume, and shutter release buttons cable assembly away from the frame. Detach the ribbon cable from the side of the frame and remove it from the Xperia Z5 Premium smartphone. Pry up and remove the Z5 Premium loudspeaker from the chassis. Utilizing the tweezers, remove the antenna bracket. Easily remove the Sony Xperia Z5 Premium Micro USB port. With the heat gun, warm up the adhesive securing the Xperia Z5 Premium LCD and digitizer assembly to the frame. Use the precision knife to create separation and insert a plastic triangle opening tool to start slicing through the adhesive. Take your time and apply additional heat as needed. Once you've sliced through the adhesive, be mindful of the ribbon cable when removing the Z5 Premium display assembly from the frame. All of the replacement parts and repair tools used in this video are available at www.DIYMobileRepair.com.
Make sure to take a look at our other DIY smartphone and tablet repair tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter.